Hello everyone. Hi, in this video of today, let's try to understand what are the problems which are faced in our country regarding the concept of human capital formation. Now, all of us know that there are big merits of human capital. People become more skilled, people become more technically qualified, they get higher income jobs, it leads to economic growth, economic equality, and everything. But in this video, we are going to talk about the problems which are associated with the human capital formation, that is HCF. The first big problem with our human capital formation is brain drain. Brain drain. Now, please understand the word brain drain. Brain drain is the migration of the people to the developed countries from one country. The migration of the people to the developed countries from one country. Now, what happens is, let's suppose people in our country, they take birth here, they get educated here, they get trained here, they become qualified over here, they become skilled over here, and because of the abroad countries giving them higher salary, what they do is they move to different countries and give their services over there. This everything to get the knowledge, skills, expertise, all was done in India, but the moment they get a higher salary job, they move to some other country, and particularly the developed countries. This movement is called as brain drain. So you see, there are two problems. One, the entire investment was done in the entire one country, where our country do not get back any of their returns on investment, and secondly, the foreign country gets this skilled people without doing any investment. This is why if you know such big institutions such as NASA and all, majority of the people, scientists over there are Indians. The big doctors who are earning in huge amounts, many of them have studied in our country, got their education degree over here, but have moved to abroad countries for a higher package. This is the problem which has reduced the growth of human capital formation in our country. Second point is inefficient on the job training, particularly in primary sector, that is agriculture sector. All of you know that agriculture is our backbone. Agriculture sector is our backbone, and in agriculture sector generally there is no training given to the people who join over there. They directly since agriculture mostly the family business is hold over, they directly enter into the fields and start working without knowing how can agriculture lead to their growth and the economic growth, because there is no training given over here, which leads to the undevelopment of human capital formation. The third problem again, which is probably the biggest problem for anything in our country, that is the rising population. Now what happens is, because of rise in population, not only people avoid giving education, there are many problems related to housing, sanitization, hospital, power supply, everything, right from maintaining the family to giving education to the family members. In spite of the fact that government has introduced many schemes like midday meal and all, so that poor can afford to get some food, and on that getting of food they send their children for education, still this has not been a helpful step, because when population is increasing, the people working in a family, at least particularly in poor families, the working people are few and the dependents are more. So the family, instead of giving them education, tries to fit them in some kind of jobs, which leads to no creation of expertise and skill of the any individual. And the fourth and the main point, and the fourth and the one of the main point of the problems of SCF is lower academic standards. Lower academic standards is that people today, students today, children today, they are only learning and mugging up. They are only learning and mugging up and becoming and getting their degree rather than understanding. It is only learning which is restricting the minds of the people. Because of this restriction in the minds, students or people are not able to open their mind on approach. They can only tell what has been taught. They cannot give any new solutions. This is not true for everyone, but partially true for many of them. And this is because of the lower academic standards, which is reducing the quality of education, reducing the quality of skilled people, reducing the quality of expert people, which ultimately reduces the human capital formation in our country. So the four main problems which are existing in SCF are increase in population, brain drain, inefficient job training, particularly in agriculture sector, and lower academic standards. I hope you will be able to understand with this video about the problems faced in SCF. Thank you everyone.